Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Disney Plus account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Disney Plus account, first open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.disneyplus.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Disney Plus, which looks like this. Disney Plus is a streaming home of Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, and more. It is an American subscription video on demand over-the-top streaming service owned and operated by the Media and Entertainment Distribution Division of Walt Disney Company. Once you end up in the official web page, go to the top right-hand corner and click the login button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this next page. You'll need to enter your login information in order to log into your account. Go ahead and type in your email address in the text box appearing on this page and click the continue button. Soon after you do that, on the next page you'll need to type in your password. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to log into your Disney Plus account quick and easy. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.